Hello guys and welcome to your live survival guide for creatives. Today we will learn about the similarities between the Adobe Creative Cloud application. I want to give you a broader vision on how to understand these applications. Even if you have never used them, this video will greatly benefit you if you are starting your graphic design studies or if you want to dive into any of these applications. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Adobe offers many applications, but all these applications are still within the same ecosystem, so they share similarities between them. There are 8 key similarities that we will try to look for. Let's have a quick overview. For this example, I will use Photoshop. Here you can find the document window, and above that, the document tab with the name of the document. On the left side, you can find the toolbar. And above that, you can find the options bar, which will show you different information depending on the tool you're using. All the way to the top, you can find the menu bar, which gets forgotten really quick by new users. On the right side of Photoshop, you can find panels and group panels. Don't worry, you can rearrange them however you want. All the way to the top right, you can find the search bar or the search button and the workspace button. If your Photoshop doesn't look like this, you might be in a different workspace. To change it, go to Workspace button and choose Essentials. And now that we're familiar with this interface, let's see how it replicates along other commonly used applications. I will use Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere. In Photoshop, we already know what's up. We have the panels, the document window, document tab, the toolbar, the options bar, and the menu bar. We have the search and the workspace. What if we changed workspaces? Will we be able to still find the similarities? Let's try photography. It didn't change a lot. It seems that we already know where everything is. So let's jump to another application. Let's go to Illustrator. It doesn't look right. It looks like something is missing. If you feel that you need to go back to the way you know it, let's change workspace. Let's go to Essentials Classic. And this looks more like it. I have the panels, the document window, the document tab, the tools, the options bar, the menu bar, the workspaces, and the search bar. That's good. Now let's use another application that is a little bit different, it has a different purpose. Let's use Premiere. I have panels here. That's good. This is another panel. I have my tools in here. More panels. More panels. I have the document window, the document tab, and workspaces. But something is missing. I don't have a search bar. But that's okay. Here, for example, inside of my project, I can search the sources that I have, for example, my main sequence. Inside of effects, I can find an effect that I would like. For example, it's stripe black. We can find easily other effects. But what if I need help, other stuff? We can also go here and find help or tutorials. And that's everything, guys. If you find anything in this video helpful, please leave a like. If you're still confused about something, you can leave a question in the comments below and I will try to answer it. If you want more content like this, please subscribe and stay tuned. This was your survival guide.